Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create collection in Shopify. To do this, on the left side you will see this option of products, and if you just go and click on products, there's a separate section for collection. So collection is just to create a section, for example, that I sell summer clothes as well as the winter clothes. I will just create a collection for summer. I will just go and click on create a collection. Now here I will just write here summer collection. You can just write whatever you want, right? You can add a description, you can add a products in the manual section, you can search for the product. In the automated section you will get here, so you can put a command. For example, all the products that is below 500 rupees will be added in this collection. So automatically, it doesn't matter I have 100 products or 500 products, every product which is below this price section will be automatically added in this collection, right? So this is what for automated. So I can just go and select manual here, and for the image I will select an image. So let's say I will just go and select this image here. You can add your collection image and then just go and click on save. Once you click on save, your collection has been done. So if I just go to the product section, and in the collection section you can see our collection has been made. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.